To save money effectively, consider these strategies. Number one, budgeting. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Use apps, or spreadsheets to maintain your budget. Number two, set savings goals. Determine specific goals, like an emergency fund, vacation savings, to motivate you to save consistently. Number three, limit dining out. Cook at home, more often anyway. Meal prepping can save you both time and money, reducing impulse dining decisions. Number four, shop smart. Use coupons, buy in bulk, take advantage of sales. Stick to a shopping list to avoid impulse buys. Number five, reduce unnecessary subscriptions. Review your subscriptions and cancel those that you rarely use. Number six, DIY. Basically, do it yourself. These projects, look at whatever you're good at. Do them yourself instead of hiring people when it's, repairs you can do. It's personal care. Number seven, use public transportation. If feasible, use public transportation instead of driving to save money on gas and parking. Number eight, energy efficiency. Reduce utility bills by using energy efficient appliances and be mindful of energy use. By adopting these practices, you can effectively save money and improve your financial health.